Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Magic School and using it for writing feedback. If you'd like some more information, simply go into my blog, type in Magic School, and there'll be a lot of resources there for you. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Now, we're going to go in, launch to students, and then launch new room. At the very top, we're just going to name it Writing Feedback. So that's all we're going to have in this one. You can have multiple resources available for the students in a room. I'm only going to use one for right now. We're going to select Next. We're going to scroll down and select Add for Writing Feedback. Now you can see that that tool has been added. We are now going to select Next. When we do that, you can then go ahead and customize. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to keep the voice. You can see there are different voices that the students could play to hear it. I'm going to keep it at that one there. Now to describe the assignment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paste in the question. And the question for this one, all I did is I grabbed it from chat. This is just an example. And I put this one right in here for you. Now, I also asked chat for a rubric. And I asked it then to put it into Word, so I downloaded it, and now I'm going to go ahead and upload. Of course, you'd have your own, whatever it may be, but I'm going to use this one here. Now, what's really nice, and this is huge, is this is what your students will see. You can simply go ahead and make it so it's not visible anymore. If you want to add any additional instructions for the kind of feedback, you can certainly do that. I'm just going to go ahead and put that right there. Now, the students, all they're going to see the assignment and the ability to insert their feedback. So I'm now going to go ahead and select Next. This is what they will see. Of course, you could go ahead and edit should you like to, or you could just simply cancel or go back. I'm going to go ahead, select Save. Then in the upper right, select Launch Room. Now you have your options. And your options are a join URL, Google Classroom, or a join code. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to do a join URL. I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'll show you what it looks like from a student point of view, and then what the teacher sees as well. Okay, so I've pasted in the URL. I'm going to select join room. Show you what it looks like from a student point of view. Okay, they will see this. We're going to select I acknowledge, and then we can go into writing feedback. Here's a prompt. Now, I would totally recommend them to write it in Google Doc or something like that. Of course, they could go ahead in. You can see your options here as well. I just copied and pasted it in. Now I'm going to select Generate. And when they do that, you can see areas of strength, growth. Now, that's a lot for them to read. If you like, you could certainly go ahead and they could have it read aloud, which is kind of nice.
Feedback on your creative animal dialogue story.
Okay, so you can hear that. Of course, they could, slow it down or speed it up. Now, for them, this may be a lot of information, so please make it shorter. Remind them that they can do that and have a conversation back and forth. This, to me, is a lot better. So now, can I add some new information and try again and we'll call it regrade. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and put a new one in. Okay, so let's try another one and see what it does. Then I'll show you what it looks like from a teacher point of view. Okay, now you can ask, what would you grade this on a scale of 1 to 4? So there you go. How great is this? They can have a conversation back and forth. Now, for you as the teacher, you can go ahead and select right in here. You can see the last message. So if you select it, then at the very top, you select this little caret. Okay, you can see they even flag some words. Stealing. Well, that's okay in this case. But you can see the feedback. You can see exactly what was written here. What they asked, and it's going to come up in purple. And again, stealing comes up again, and that's Nice to see that that comes up. How great is that? There you go. If you do have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.